What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get the deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we've built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a look at Elrond here, and as we can see it's doing very, very well indeed, currently coming up towards those all-time highs. The current price at around $292 here, looking very good indeed. Obviously we've outlined on the daily chart here. On Binance you can see here the all-time high is posted at around $303 on the wick here. But obviously since then we've had that retracement and that coiling motion that we've been looking at for a good while here. We come up, down, obviously, you know, coiling into the apex here where eventually we were going to see that move to the upside. And you can see here we've obviously got a nice clean breakout, consolidation and a bit of continuation here. Moving upwards, you know, potentially going to get overbought quite soon, but heading up towards that all-time high and maybe, you know, going to be testing it quite soon. I mean, if we look at the hourly time frame, we might get a bit more insight into what's going on here. You can see that the previous all-time high here is actually around $303. We come all the way up to this, but we do get that bearish divergence, a very clean one at that. We come all the way back down, coiling, consolidating for a good while here above that previous all-time high, which was at around, what was it, $250-ish. So overall looking really, really bullish. And then you can see, look how bullish this chart is. You could say big cup handle, and if this is the handle here, then wow, this is going to be an absolutely amazing rally for Elrond if that's the case. So pulling the Fibonacci here from the previous all-time high to the low. You can see their previous all-time high to the low. Pull from high to low, you can see the confluence of these levels all the way up. Resistance, support. We come up to that $303 new all-time high, come back down to the 780 as support, back up to the all-time high resistance, back down to $200-ish as support, coiling for a few weeks here around the previous all-time high of $245, $250. And now you can see quite clearly, I'm going to keep undoing until I can get rid of that piece of that little tiny bit of drawing that I did there. Put the Fibonacci back on. And you can see here, we're obviously currently breaking out of this nice little coiling motion that we've seen to the upside, and things looking super, super bullish for Elrond, aren't they? You can quite clearly see here that things are looking very good indeed. Heading to the upside, things looking really strong. Obviously holding support really nicely, coiling up for a move and then getting the break to the upside with the whole market looking bullish as well. A quick little look at Bitcoin will tell us how things are looking today. You can see Bitcoin having a big rally today after, you know, essentially having a few days of cooling off after hitting that new all-time high, which was around 67k. So you can see Elrond here currently taking advantage of Bitcoin having a little bit of a pump today and heading to the upside as well. And overall, you know, a lot of alts looking very bullish. And Elrond is no exception, looking really, really good right now. Currently up at around, as we said, that $292 area, targeting that all-time high in the next few days, we would say, considering how much is breaking out here and looking strong. And obviously, if this is our run up and that's our pennant, and then we have our breakout target like this, we are going to be coming up towards that 141 extension at around $400, $500. So very, very nice targets to be looking at there. Technical targets if that's a big flagpole for that pennant, and then obviously the breakout would see us moving to the upside in a big way. So overall, Elrond looking really good, and we can look at the short-term price predictions then. Obviously, if we roll over from here, we do have a little bit of support here in and around that $270 area on that previous swing high and that little bit of consolidation. Or we could come back down and bounce on the previous all-time high of $250-ish before getting a big move to the upside if we rolled over. But in reality, considering how bullish we are looking, you would probably expect here that we're probably going to be looking at going up towards that all-time high of $303 and probably testing it at least before having a bit of a retracement. And then if we start to break that, we obviously have the 127 extension at $375, which will be our next target if that's the case. And as we always say, we do really think Elrond above $1,000 is probably going to be quite likely in our opinion. Coming up to somewhere like this, if we just draw $1,000 in here, somewhere around here, You can see that's halfway up the 227 extension. Very, very possible, and considering how good this project is and how much bullish fundamental news they've got coming, we could be looking at a very nice price target for Elrond by the end of the year. So that's it, guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.